Hello and welcome to the 340 Club. In this video, we'll be solving this question. 3 exponents x minus 27 times 3 exponents negative x equals 6. Well, so let's begin. So the first thing we'll do is to rewrite 3 exponents negative x as 1 over 3 exponents x. So our equation now looks like this. 3 exponents x minus 27 over 3 exponents x equals 6. That's because 3 exponents negative x is the same as 1 over 3 exponents x. Now the next thing we'll do is to replace 3 exponents x with a variable. So I'll use u, right? So our equation now becomes u minus 27 over u equals 6. At this point, you can multiply it through by u, and you get u squared minus 6u minus 27 equals 0. That's after rearranging everything, pushing everything to the left-hand side. You get u squared minus 6u minus 27 equals 0. So you factorize that equation, right? So you get u plus 3 in one bracket and u minus 9 in another bracket. And the solutions are u equals minus 3 or u equals 9. Now, before we continue, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Now, you can replace u back with 3 to the power x. So we get 3 to the power x equals negative 3, and there's no real solution to this, so x will not be a real number in this case. And the other one is 3 to the power x equals 9, and we know 9 is the same as 3 squared, so that 3 to the power x equals 3 squared. And we know if the bases are the same, you can equate the powers. If a exponent x equals a exponent y, then x equals y. So we have x equals 2, right? So the solution is x equals 2. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.